Hello everyone, welcome back to the term one. And then today we're gonna start with the quadratics. You probably heard about quadratics before, and you probably heard about how to make the quadratics works. Normally, it's just like your highest power will be two, which is a square. For example, x squared, or for example, a squared, or for example, c squared, and so on. Start with some easy part, which is we do some 3A today, which is we're gonna expanding and selecting the like terms. So like terms means like the two terms are the same power. For example, 3x plus 2x is 5x. 3x squared plus 2x squared is 5x squared, so and so on. So we're gonna try to simplify and combine the like terms. So first thing first, we have a look the expanding the bracket. So first expanding. So what we do is we're gonna start with the question expanding the bracket. 2x minus 5 minus 3 times x plus 5. So um, that was a quick memorizing questions. So 2x minus 10 minus 3x minus 15. So this is what we are expanding. So like term means 2x and minus 3x. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So we don't have to write a minus 1x. We just write out minus x. And minus 10 minus 15 is minus 25 in total. So this is the answer. And next one, let's try again. So 6x squared, so 2 times 3 is 6. X times x is x squared, so it's 6x squared minus 4x and plus 3x squared minus 6x. Okay, so once we have these, like term will be 6x squared plus 3x squared, so that will be 9x squared and minus 10x. So let's expand more with each terms, which is we have the bracket. So now what we do is x plus 3 times 2x minus 3. So for this question, so what we do is we multiply by each pair of the bracket to multiply with. So for example, x times 2x, and then x times minus 3, and then plus 3 times 2x, and 3 times minus 3. So what we do is, so first thing first, 2x times x is 2x squared minus 3x and plus 6x and 3 times minus 3 minus 9. So like term will be 1, 2. So what we do is 2x squared plus 3x minus 9. That's your final result. Another one, same ideas. So what we do is just do each terms by each. And you probably ask me, what happens to negative? So will be changed to negative then. So what we do is x times 2x is 2x squared. X times minus 2 root 2, so which is minus 2 root 2 x. And then plus minus 3 times 2x, which is minus 6x. And then minus minus become to the plus, which is plus 6 root 2. That's it. And this is a like term, so you can make the bracket or you can just leave that one. I don't really mind. So you could write down as minus 2 root 2 plus 6x and plus 6 root 2. So you're probably asking why is minus to the plus? Because in the bracket, you have to make sure you have to change to the plus. That's why we do. Hopefully that makes sense. And then we keep going and then expand the bracket with some CAS calculator. So what we do is we're gonna using the CAS calculator. So we're gonna using expand the bracket. So what we do is I'm gonna try to start with. So what we do is, and we're going to the CAS calculator, and we're gonna try to press the expanding. bracket. So what we do is we're going to menu. And can anyone see this little algebra? And number 3 is called expand. So that's what we do. So the question is 2x minus 1 bracket. So can you see the bracket on the left? So bracket 2x minus 1 and bracket and multiply. So which is press multiply by another one bracket 3 times x and square, which is on here, x squared, and plus 2x and plus 4. So just in case we change to 2x to 2 times x, that will be help. And then we press enter. They give you the answer straight away. You probably ask, what's a little dot here? That means like that's the 6.0 or something like that. So it's 6x cubed plus x squared plus 6x minus 4. So we're going back to our this question, and you can say this is the instruction for you. Next part, I want you guys to make sure put these two into your formula, which is the completing squares and then the perfect squares. We have to remember this. Okay, and another one will be a minus b squared equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So make sure you guys to understand these three. Okay. And now we're gonna try this one. So 3x minus 2 squared. So we can using let a equal to 3x, let b equal to 2. So what we do is we're using this formula. Okay, so a squared is 9x squared minus 2 times 3x times 2 plus 4. So that equal to 9x squared minus 12x and plus 4. That's it. So this one, we're going to using some formula with perfect squares. So now what we do is a equal to 2x, b equal to 4. So which is 4x squared minus 16. This one, let a equal to x, b equal to 2 root 7. So that will be equal to x squared minus 4 times 7, which is equal to 28. And that works for you to understand the question. Okay? Hopefully that all makes sense. And I'll see you guys next time.